Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation, making it faster, more efficient, and highly personalized. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or digital marketer, AI-powered tools can generate high-quality articles, automate video production, and enhance marketing strategies. In this video, we'll explore how AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper assist in blog writing, the role of AI in video scripting, editing, and voiceovers, how AI-driven marketing optimizes ads, social media, and SEO. Stay tuned as we dive into the best AI tools and techniques to supercharge your content creation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation by making it faster, more efficient, and highly personalized. AI tools help generate blog articles, create marketing videos, and optimize social media content, ensuring high-quality output at scale. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Synthesia, and Canva AI help with writing, video editing, graphic design, and audience targeting. They save time and effort, enabling creators to focus on strategy, storytelling, and engaging their audience. This chapter discusses how AI can be used for blog writing, video creation, and marketing campaigns. It also highlights the best AI tools for content creators. AI-powered writing tools automate content creation, enhance SEO, and improve readability. They generate blog posts, suggest SEO keywords, and refine grammar and style. ChatGPT by OpenAI can generate human-like text for blogs, articles, and FAQs. It also rewrites, summarizes, and expands content effectively. Jasper AI specializes in creating long-form content and SEO-optimized blog posts. It offers AI-generated outlines, introductions, and keyword suggestions. Grammarly and Hemingway Editor are AI tools for grammar correction and readability. Surfer SEO analyzes top content and suggests keywords and backlinks. AI speeds up content production, saving hours of manual writing. It improves SEO rankings with AI-driven keyword optimization and ensures high-quality, engaging, and error-free content. AI-powered video tools simplify video creation with features like AI scriptwriting, voiceovers, avatars, and automated editing. Let's explore some AI-powered video editing tools. Synthesia creates talking avatar videos from text, perfect for corporate training and marketing. Pictory converts text into videos, extracting highlights and generating captions. Descript offers transcription, voice cloning, and text-based editing. Runway ML provides color correction and background removal. Adobe Sensei enhances video editing with smart cropping and audio enhancement. AI video creation tools save time by automating tasks like scripting, voiceovers, and editing. They allow non-experts to create professional videos and enhance engagement with AI-driven effects and animations. AI enhances social media and digital marketing by automating content creation, analyzing audience behavior, and optimizing ad performance in real time. Hootsuite and Buffer use AI to analyze engagement trends and schedule posts at optimal times. These tools automate social media management across multiple platforms. Let's explore some AI tools for social media marketing. Canva AI helps with graphic design. Lumen 5 converts text to animated videos. Copy.ai creates content. ChatGPT generates posts and campaign ideas, and Persato AI optimizes ad copy. AI automates content creation, boosts engagement with AI-driven recommendations, and improves ad targeting for better conversion rates. AI is a powerful tool but raises ethical and practical challenges. It creates content based on existing data, leading to concerns about plagiarism and authenticity. The best practice is to combine AI-generated content with human creativity. AI models can reflect biases from their training data, so always fact-check AI-generated content. Legal questions about authorship arise with AI-generated works, and some platforms may restrict monetization of such content. AI is transforming content creation by using tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Synthesia, and Canva AI. These tools help in writing blogs, producing videos, and automating marketing, saving time and boosting engagement. AI can speed up content creation, but human creativity ensures originality and ethics. The best approach is using AI as an assistant, combining automation with human input for effective content. AI is revolutionizing content personalization, audience targeting, and media production. It is shaping the future of digital storytelling and transforming marketing strategies. AI is transforming content creation, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or marketer, leveraging AI tools can help you create high-quality content faster, reach a larger audience, and improve engagement. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI insights. What AI tools are you using for content creation? Let us know in the comments below. Explore more AI resources at destinlearning.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.